Today I'm going to walk you through what I call modifiers.
Like I had mentioned earlier, modifiers are super important in what it is that I do with ChatGPT. Before you do X, ask me questions about Y. So having it ask you clarifying questions before it performs the task allows you to provide the model deeper insight on what you need from it and it needs from you. So it allows the AI to come together with you and ask for additional input to provide a better output. I do use this one all the time. Another really good one is for each of the responses, justify the reasoning. This allows you to do two things. One, the justification allows the model to learn a little bit more, but also allows you as the recipient of the information to interpret on whether or not you gave it the appropriate information or not. So say the justification on the responses came back, and typically I would use this on, say, I need 5 examples of something, justify each one of the responses. It allows me to quality check my input against what my expectations were and the output of what actually was produced to me. Formatting. Formatting is great because it allows you to ask for a list, a blog post, code, whatever format you need the response from AI in, it will do it for you. So making sure that you're calling out that format that best suits your need for that prompt. The next one is tone. I use this quite a bit when I'm doing any sort of content creation, usually blog posts that I'm not writing the entire thing myself. I'll give it a tone. So friendly tone or humorous undertones, making sure that it's aligning with me and my brand. The next modifier is constraints. So this one is great also for writing. 2 examples that come to mind here are provide me a blog post less than 500 words or provide me an essay less than 500 words. And kids, don't just put this into ChatGPT, have it give you the essay without even checking it against any of the AI finders, so you don't get kicked out of school. The other use case here is, I use it a lot for script ideas, so provide me a 90-second or less script on X topic. And that way I can kind of go in and modify the output on what my brand looks like, what I want to say. Leads me in the last thing, add to memory. When you're paying for, say, ChatGPT, you have allotted memory, and it's important to leverage that. That way, it's training the model specific to you and curtailing its responses to your needs. So I get a lot of responses about business because I ask it a lot of business questions. If you have other scenarios you would like for me to explore, if you want to know what these prompts look like in ChatGPT, Claude, or Perplexity, let me know in the comments. If you send me a message, I will add you to my prompt library so you can have access to all of my prompts. Don't forget to like and follow for more AI-based content.